Macaroni and cheese are complementary demands. Just like bread and butter, they can never be separated. And kids are madly in love with this combo. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today let's make this Italian mac and cheese. Keep on watching. Very easy, delicious and satisfying. So first thing first, in a boiling water, add your favorite brand of macaroni. Okay, cover and let it cook. Get your vegetables ready. Here I'm chopping some tomatoes, some onions, ginger and garlic. And we're chopping our onions. This is salt. I'm gonna drain the water. Put half stick of butter in your cooking pot. Let it melt down completely. Then go ahead and add in your ginger and garlic. Stir up. I advise you to cook on a medium heat. Okay, stir it up and let it cook for a few seconds before you add in your onions. Give it a toss. I love seasoning my onions and ginger and garlic, so I'm going to go ahead and add some salt to it to season it. Not too much salt. So I'll also add some basil leaf. The flavor of this basil is divine. Toss it around. So allow it to cook for a few minutes before you then go ahead and put in your tomatoes. Okay, toss it. Allow it to cook until it is looking like this. Okay, so now you pour in your heavy cream, any heavy cream of your choice. If you don't have a heavy cream, you can use your milk. Okay, then let it simmer for a little while before you start putting other orishi. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be putting here is black pepper, soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, then you stir it around until it melts down to that creamy texture, creamy consistency. Okay, So at this point, we're gonna just garnish it with our green onions just for extra flavor. Okay, you set up your oven 350 degree. Put it in the oven, let it bake for at least 30 minutes. So hot. 20 minutes later, just take a look at that. Take a look at this.